He was over there last time.
Oh, was he?
He was.
So he's quite lively, isn't he?
Mm.
Leo.
Just what you're filming.
Mm-hmm.
He's busy filming that. Crocodile? No, it must be a statue, isn't it?
Yeah,
A snake sitting on him.
Bearings, python, something there. Some thing I just can't see it.
I love the skull.
Yeah. So I just can't see it. I don't know where's that angle there.
I don't know. It's a good hider. It's in the front one, so little kids coming. It's not really together. Let's see, you're finished. They're all in the cat. It's in the cat there, I think it's in the cat. That was pottery. So that's perfect for us. We'll see the display now, but... Yeah. Oh, it's moving. All the Tarantulas.
Yeah.
Get a chance, honestly. It's a lovely, relaxing feeling. It is. You can't feel anything anyway. Oh, yes, I think it's the first time I've seen one move. It's like those vultures.
All the way down the back of his body. He hadn't been fed the right amount of food or the right type of food. But a snake can still continue to grow in length even if there is a shortage of food. And they do this by taking nutrients from other parts of the body. And an experiment was done with a pit viper that went for 3 years, 3 months before it was fed. And in all that time, it still continued to grow in length. So please, before anybody thinks about buying any animal, particularly a reptile, read a book. Find out all you can about it for yourself before you buy it. You need to know how big it's going to get, what it needs, what sort of size enclosure it needs, how long it's going to live for. Some of these big snakes can live for 30 years in captivity, and the longest recorded snake was a boa constrictor at over 40 years. And that's a long time to have something in your home, particularly if it bites. Most reptiles in these rooms are rescued by us in one way or another, and we can't take in many more. So if you're intent on buying a reptile, make sure you can keep it properly for its lifetime. Failing that, there is a note I like to end on. A little girl came up to me after one of my shows. She was only about 10, and she said to me, "A reptile is for life, unless it eats you first."
I know.